Imagine an AI agent researching 50 side hustle ideas while you sleep, or automatically optimizing your niche site content for top search rankings. By the end of this video, you'll know the exact AI tools and strategies to make that a reality in 2026.
The landscape of online content is changing fast. YouTube searches show a clear, active interest in best AI tools this week, and discussions on platforms like Hacker News highlight the rapid advancements in AI agents, from benchmarking coding agents to new visualization languages. This isn't just hype, it's a real shift in productivity.
Today, we're diving into 5 powerful AI agents that can revolutionize how you build and rank niche sites. These tools can automate everything from content research to data visualization, saving you countless hours and boosting your site's visibility. Let's start with a tool that helps you see what your AI is doing.
First up is Flint. This isn't a content generator, but a visualization language specifically designed for AI agents. Think of it as the eyes for your AI, allowing you to understand complex data outputs from other agents.
What it does, Flint lets your AI agents create charts and graphs. This is crucial for understanding performance metrics, research findings, or even content trends generated by other AI tools. Its standout features include a declarative syntax, making it easy to define visualizations, and deep integration with existing AI agent frameworks. This means your agents can not only process data but also present it clearly.
Who is it for? Flint is best for developers and data scientists who are building and benchmarking AI agents. If you're creating complex AI workflows for niche site analysis or content strategy, Flint helps you visualize the results effectively. Pricing? It's completely free and open source. My take: while not directly a ranking tool, Flint is essential for anyone serious about building and monitoring sophisticated AI agent systems for their niche sites. It provides the crucial feedback loop to refine your AI's performance.
Next, we have Vanguard-Map. This tool might seem niche, but it highlights the power of specialized data visualization that can be adapted for various purposes. Originally for 3D airplane tracking, its underlying tech is fascinating.
What it does: Vanguard-Map is a 3D airplane tracker on a Mercator map. While its direct application isn't for SEO, its core strength lies in real-time geospatial data visualization. Its standout features are its real-time 3D tracking capabilities and the use of a Mercator map projection for clear geographical context. Imagine adapting this for visualizing audience demographics or competitor locations on a global scale.
Who is it for? This is primarily for developers who need to visualize geospatial data or integrate real-time tracking into their applications. For niche sites, this could inspire custom dashboards for location-based SEO. Pricing? It's free and open source. My take: Vanguard-Map demonstrates the potential for custom, interactive data visualization within AI-driven projects. While not a direct SEO tool, its codebase offers powerful insights for those looking to build bespoke analytical dashboards for their niche sites.
Moving on to a more direct agent framework, let's look at OpenClaw. This is where you start building truly autonomous AI systems for your niche site operations.
What it does: OpenClaw is an open-source framework for building and deploying autonomous AI agents. This means you can design agents to perform specific tasks, like researching keywords, drafting content outlines, or even monitoring competitor activity. Its features include a modular agent design, allowing you to combine different AI capabilities, and robust task automation, making it perfect for repetitive SEO tasks. Its extensible architecture means you can customize it to fit almost any niche site strategy.
Who is it for? OpenClaw is best for developers and advanced users who want to build custom AI agents for various tasks, including content generation and research for their niche sites. Pricing? Free and open source. My take: OpenClaw is a serious contender for those looking to move beyond off-the-shelf tools. It offers the flexibility to create highly specialized agents tailored exactly to your niche, providing a significant competitive advantage.
Now, if you're dealing with multiple AI agents and need to get them to work together, Superpowers is your solution.
What it does: Superpowers is a platform designed for orchestrating and managing multiple AI agents and complex workflows. Instead of individual agents working in silos, Superpowers helps them collaborate. Its standout features include multi-agent coordination, ensuring your agents work together seamlessly, and powerful workflow automation for intricate processes. It also offers scalable task management, so you can grow your AI operations as your niche site expands.
Who is it for? This tool is ideal for businesses and power users looking to manage complex AI workflows and integrate various agent capabilities. If you're building an AI team for your niche site, Superpowers helps you be the conductor. Pricing: free and open source. My take: Superpowers is critical for advanced users. Without proper orchestration, multiple agents can become chaotic. This tool brings structure, making your AI workforce far more effective for comprehensive niche site management.
Finally, let's talk about an agent focused purely on language and content: Hermes Agent.
What it does: Hermes Agent is an AI agent focused on advanced natural language processing and task execution. This is your go-to for sophisticated text-based tasks, like generating nuanced article drafts or summarizing complex research. Its features include exceptional contextual understanding, meaning it can grasp the subtleties of your content brief, automated content generation, and efficient information retrieval to pull relevant data for your articles.
Who is it for? Hermes Agent is perfect for content creators, researchers, and marketers who need an AI for sophisticated text-based tasks for their niche sites. Pricing: free and open source. My take: for pure content generation and understanding, Hermes Agent is one of the strongest open source options. It excels where detailed, high-quality text output is needed, making it invaluable for niche sites aiming for authority and depth.
So, which AI agent is the best pick for your niche site strategy in 2026? For overall flexibility in building custom solutions, OpenClaw is the one to beat. If you're looking for advanced language capabilities and content generation, Hermes Agent stands out. And for those just starting to visualize their AI's output, Flint offers a clear entry point.
The secret to ranking niche sites with AI agents lies in combining these powerful tools to automate and optimize every step of your content and SEO workflow. These aren't just tools, they're your new workforce.
Let's get practical. To use Flint, first, ensure you have an AI agent framework set up, like OpenClaw. Then, within your agent's code, import the Flint library. For a simple chart, you'd define your data, perhaps a list of keyword search volumes. Then, use Flint's declarative syntax to specify the chart type, like a bar chart, mapping your keyword data to the x-axis and search volume to the y-axis. Your agent can then output this visualization directly, giving you an instant visual understanding of the data it just processed. It's about turning raw numbers into actionable insights with just a few lines of code.
For Vanguard-Map, while its primary use is geospatial, let's consider adapting its visualization engine. You'd start by integrating its core rendering components into your project. Then, instead of airplane data, feed it your own custom data points, perhaps representing competitor locations or user traffic origins. You could map these points onto a custom Mercator projection of your target market. The key is understanding how it takes data, processes it for 3D coordinates, and renders it. By swapping the data source, you can build a unique, interactive map for your niche site's global strategy.
To begin with OpenClaw, you'll typically clone its repository and set up your development environment. The first step is defining an agent class. Inside this class, you specify the agent's tools. These could be functions to access external APIs, scrape data, or interact with an LLM. For instance, you might create a keyword research tool that calls a search API. Then, you define the agent's task, telling it what to do, like research 10 keywords for niche. OpenClaw handles the execution, allowing your agent to autonomously perform the task using the tools you've provided.
With Superpowers, the focus is on coordination. After setting up individual agents, perhaps built with OpenClaw, you'd define a workflow. This workflow specifies the sequence and dependencies between your agents. For example, Agent A, a research agent, completes its task and passes its output to Agent B, a content outlining agent. Superpowers allows you to visually design these pipelines, setting triggers and conditions for when each agent should activate. This ensures a smooth, automated flow of information and tasks across your entire AI team, maximizing efficiency for complex niche site projects.
Hermes Agent works by providing a robust framework for language-focused tasks. To use it, you typically define a persona or role for the agent, such as SEO content writer. Then, you provide it with a goal, like generate a blog post about topic optimized for keyword. Hermes Agent leverages advanced NLP capabilities to understand the context, perform necessary research, if integrated with external tools, and then generate high-quality, relevant content that aligns with your specified parameters. Its strength lies in its ability to handle nuanced language generation and understanding, making it perfect for direct content creation.
Ready to put these AI agents to work? Experiment with combining them to create a truly autonomous system for your niche sites. Don't forget to subscribe for more breakdowns of the latest AI tools and productivity hacks that can transform your business.